How to access hidden attributes with methods. Now suppose we have this class here, hidden, and in this we have an attribute. Um, let's say the attribute name is my attribute, and this attribute is hidden. So for that we have the double underscores before the attribute name, and the value of this attribute is 10. So we can just make the object of this class h is equal to hidden, and we can try printing this attribute here. So we say h dot my attribute. So when I run this code, it will give me an error and say that it does not have the attribute my attribute. So let's change this and just take out the underscore and see, and without the underscore it works just fine. So the main problem is underscore, but we want to keep it hidden. So to access this variable without getting an error, we use method. So for that, now we write a method over here, def display attribute, and in this we write self. Now when we print this here we can print this attribute, right? We write print underscore my attribute. Forgot we write the self in front. Now h dot display attribute. Now when we run this code, it will not give any error and it will run just fine. Now let's say I want to create another hidden attribute within this method. So I write self dot variable is equal to 9. And now we'll create another method to access this variable from another method. So we have the method display variable, and we print same like before, self dot underscore variable. And now when we run it, you can see only 10 is called because we forgot to call the another method. So h dot display variable, here we'll call that in the main body. And now when you run this code, it will say 10 and 9, that is both the attribute values. So this is how we access hidden attributes in from classes using methods. And as you have seen, we have seen how to do that from another method as well.